All right, so this kerosene heater, I replaced the wick a few months ago. Try to get it ready for winter. When I did, um, I had to clean inside this fuel tank with a rag, just some debris that was in there. And in doing so, I ended up bending the float on this level indicator. Well, when I put fuel in it, it wasn't measuring the amount of fuel in the tank. So here's what you have to do to repair these things. In diagnosing it, what I did is I disassembled the wick assembly and then suspended it with a piece of wood. And then if you noticed, I put it on a small bench and I got my fuel tank over there with a fuel pump. And what that does is, the reason I did that is because I'm able to put fuel in the tank, right? So you can see the fuel going in. And I got the fuel indicator to work now. You'll see it go up here. Okay, see how it's going up now? Now when I'm working on this, I want to be able to, I don't want to keep filling this tank and have it full of fuel when I'm working on it. So basically, by having it this way, when I shut the fuel pump off, what it will do is it will automatically suction the fuel back in the tank. See how it's gravity feeding back in the tank? And then if you look here, you can see it going back down and basically pump the fuel back to the tank. And then that allows me to continue testing it. Now to take this off, all you gotta do is do a quarter turn counterclockwise. Okay, and there's a rubber gasket in there, and you can pull the float out. Well, this arm was bent 90 degrees, so I just put it back straight again, so it's straight, and then you just put it back in and turn it back until it stops. When it stops, that's where it needs to be, and that's it. Just take the piece of wood out and then reassemble it. That's how you do it, son.